Okay, hello everybody, welcome to Unit 8. In Unit 8, what's your neighborhood like? That is the title of this unit. So it's very important, this word, neighborhood. Neighborhood is the place where you live, so neighborhood. So let's begin with the word power, places. Match the words in the definition, then practice asking the questions with a partner. So, what's a barbershop? What is a barbershop? Well, a barbershop is a place where you get a haircut. In the barbershop, you get a haircut. So, number one is D. Right? D. So number two, what's a laundromat? What is a laundromat? Well, a laundromat is a place where you wash and dry clothes. Is correct? Wash and dry clothes? Yes, it's correct. Laundromat is a place when you go there and you wash and dry your own clothes. Yeah, that's true. So number three, library. Library is a place where you borrow books. Library is number three is G, borrow books. Somebody lend you books. Okay, library. Number four, what's a stationery store? What is a stationery store? Well, a stationery store is a place where you buy cars and paper. It's a place where you buy cars and paper. That's correct. What about travel agency? Well, a travel agency is a place where you make reservations for a trip. Travel agency. Number five, with F, make reservations for a trip. And number six, grocery store. What is a grocery store? Where is? Well, it's a place where you buy food. I'm gonna buy some food. Where? In the grocery store. Okay. Number seven, theater. So a theater is a place where you see a movie, of course, or play. Romeo and Juliet, for example, is a play. Robin Hood is a play. You know, it's similar to a movie, but it's live. Yeah. Okay, so now let's listen to the conversation. I'm your new neighbor. I'm your new neighbor. So remember the word neighborhood is the place. So neighbor is the person. Are the people, right? So let's listen this dialogue.
Unit 8. What's your neighborhood like? Page 50. Exercise 2. Conversation. I'm your new neighbor. Listen and practice.
Excuse me, I'm your new neighbor, Jack. I just moved in.
Oh, yes?
I'm looking for a grocery store. Are there any around here?
Yes, there are some on Pine Street.
Oh, good. And is there a laundromat near here?
Well, I think there's one across from the shopping center.
Thank you.
By the way, there's a barber shop in the shopping center, too.
A barber shop?
Alright, so I'm your new neighbor. Okay, so Jack is the new neighbor. So, excuse me, Excuse me, I'm your new neighbor, Jack. I just moved in. Oh yes, I'm looking for a grocery store. Remember, a grocery store is a place where you can buy food. So, are there any around here? Around here is similar to near, near, around here, near here. Yes, there are some. So this is plural. There are. Singular, there is. There are some on Pine Street. Oh, good. And is there a laundromat near here? Remember, a laundromat is a place when you wash your clothes. Well, I think there's one across from the shopping center. Thank you. By the way, there's a barber shop in the shopping center too. Very funny. A barber shop? Remember, a barber shop is a place when you get a haircut, you know. So the Mrs. Day say to Jack, "You look like a woman, so you need to get a haircut." So it's very fun. So here we have the grammar focus. There is, there are, one, and in some. This grammar is super easy. It's very simple because there is for singular, one thing, one place, one person. But there are is plural, 2, 3, 4, 5 things, or many places. So for example, is there laundromat is only one laundromat. So laundromat is simple. Laundromat is no plural, is singular. So laundromat is singular. So is there a laundromat near here? Or you can say around here. Yes, there is. If the question used is, so you have to answer is. Yes, there is. Negative? No, there isn't. Okay? So now this question is plural. Are there any? Are there any grocery stores? So grocery stores can be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 grocery stores. I don't know. For that reason, the grammar used are there, plural. Are there 1 grocery store, 2 grocery stores, 3 grocery stores? Are there any grocery stores around here? The answer, yes, there are. Of course, there are, because I asked with are there, you change, there are. Oh no, there aren't is negative. No, there aren't. Or you can say no, there aren't any. So we use some preposition on, next to, near, close to, across from, opposite, in front of, in back of, or behind, between, on the corner of. For example, in this picture, in France Cafe is on Elm Street, next to the Jamison Hotel. Alright? First National Bank is next to Prince's grocery store. Okay? For example, First Avenue Shopping Center is behind the gas station. Behind or behind, you can say behind is the same. So now you have to write questions about these places in the neighborhood map below. So that's it for today. See you next time.